Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Javier Guerrero, and today I'm going to try to read these 5 tongue twister for this activity. Okay, here we go. The first one says, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled papers. A peck of pickled paper Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled papers, what is the peck of pickled paper Peter Piper picked? The second one says, Betty borrowed both sons' butter, but she said borrowed Peter's. If I put in my butter, I will make my butter bitter, but a bit of better butter will make my butter better. So, it's worth Betty bought a bit of better butter. The third says, how much wood will a wood chop? Chop if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chop he would as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Fourth, the niece sees the fleas. The niece sees the fleas. At least the niece could sneeze and feed and freeze the fleas. And number 5 says, the 33 thieves told that they thrilled the throne through Tuesday. Okay guys, as you can see, it's very fast. It's a little difficult, but I hope made a good job. Goodbye and see you the next activity.